That's the quietest Hoover Junior Deluxe I think I've ever heard. It makes me think there's something wrong with it. I always thought these cleaners were quite loud. Well, that sounds very good. I'm glad I don't have to take this apart and have a look at the motor. Let's just check that the agitator is rotating as it should. So it's quite full, but it fits on very securely. It's a nice tight fit on the fill tube. So H18 bags, and you can get various different types, but the ones I tend to use are this for your home. And I think the H18 bags are the Turbo Power 2 bags. So if you've got any Turbo Power 2 bags knocking around, you could always use those, especially if you've got the high filtration ones. But yeah, I'm so pleased with this. Obviously it needs retro brighting, but the motor, that sounds absolutely fantastic. It's the quietest Junior Deluxe / Starlight that I've ever used. Whew. Well, I'm quite warm in this Christmas jumper, and the heating is on. I think I'm quite warm. I'm quite warm in this Christmas jumper, and I think the heating is. I'm quite warm in this Christmas jumper, and I think the heating is on. So I'm wondering if we've won the lot. I'm quite warm. Whew. Whew. I'm quite warm in this Christmas jumper, and I think the heating's on. Oh, it's not. Whew. I'm quite warm in this Christmas jumper, and I think the heating's on. Hello everyone, and welcome to my Christmas spectacular. Well, actually, just welcome to me. Hello everyone, and welcome to my Christmas spectacular. Well, actually, in reality, I'm just going to be opening a manky old vacuum cleaner. No, there's no special Christmas show this year, apart from the fact this is as Christmassy as it's going to get. Because, oh, I need to adjust my nuts. Oh.